Do you want to check your Samsung phone's battery health? Hey there, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can check battery health on your phone easily. So let's begin. First of all, make sure to install the Samsung Members app from the Play Store. Then open the app. Then tap on Diagnostics. After that, sign in with your Samsung ID. If you don't have a Samsung ID, then make sure to create a new account. Then tap Phone Diagnostics. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Battery Status. Wait for a while. After that, you will see your battery status. It's showing normal. And under the normal, it's showing battery life is good. And showing battery capacity as well. Hope you find this video useful. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.